mother and daughter.
A woman of quality knows what she wants. If you want to tidy me and do what you want, then hurry, hurry, come carry your baby, go. Come and see my mother.